How to make an affiliate marketing landing page in GetResponse. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can create your very own landing page in GetResponse. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into it. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to their website getresponse.com. Now once you're over here, this is how the website will look like. Now all you gotta do is just simply sign up, and as you can see, the sign up process is really free and you can get a free forever plan as well. So but for now, let's just stick to the free version over here and just simply enter in your email address and click on the sign up button. And over here, all you have to do is just simply enter in your name and password and click on create an account. And once you have, signed up, they'll tell you to go over there and, verify your email address to activate your account. So simply go over to your Gmail inbox, and over here, just simply click on activate my account. And as you can see, we have activated an account, and all that we gotta do is just simply enter in a little bit of our more information, such as our address, zip code, city and state or province, and our phone number. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. And after that, they'll basically ask you a couple of different questions, and all you got to do is just skip them, or you can just answer them. So they basically asked me if I had some contacts. I said no. And now they're asking me, do I have a website? No, not yet. Take me to dashboard. So once we have done that, this is how the dashboard is going to look like. And as you can see, it's really simple and really unique. Don't have a lot of things over here. And once you're over here, all you have to do is simply create your landing page. So over here on the left side, as you can see, we have create newsletter, we have create form, and then we have create landing page. This is the button that we want to click on. Now if you don't want to do that, if you don't see this option right here, all you got to do is come over here at the top, click on create, and just simply find create landing page option. You can create other things as well, such as create a campaign or funnel, newsletter, or stuff like that. For now, let's just go ahead and create a landing page. Simply click on the button, wait a couple of seconds for the website to load up because it takes quite a lot of time sometimes. Now it's loading up all of the templates that are available, which is a good thing because it saves us quite a lot of time actually. So as you can see, the templates have been loaded up, and this is how they all look like. And as you can see, they're pretty nice. They're pretty flashy with all the different colors, but that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for a landing page, basically a subscribe button or a download button to sell our freebie to promote our product. So what we can do is go over here into the categories and just simply click on downloads. Now once we're over here, as you can see, we have a couple of more decent looking websites, but they're still quite flashy, and we need to have some sort of affiliate marketing type of website, such as these ones over here, as you can see. But they all look like 2010 websites, or but they all look like 2010 websites or 2011. Like they look really old and not that good. So we need something that's a little bit more modern, but something like that. So I think that this one over here, I think this website or this website, think these two, or actually this one as well. Like this one I think is much better because you can add the product over here, and then you can enter in your name and your email address, and then your sign up button over down below. I think this one looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and choose this one. Or before I select this template, if you don't want to choose a template and you want to build a website from scratch, then you can go ahead and do that as well. So to do that, just go over here at the top, build from scratch, and over here you will have the options of a couple of different plain looking templates. Now what that means is basically over here you won't have anything flashy or stuff like that. They'll basically give you a different set of layout, and then you'll have to edit that website accordingly. The layout is going to be the same, such as this one over here. You have your name, you have your email address. What you can do next is you can add a background, add some images to change it up a little bit. It's basically the same template that I'm choosing, but without all of the wallpapers and backgrounds and colors. This is how it would look like if we removed everything. So this is basically the layouts over here. You can choose whichever one you want and edit them accordingly. So I'm gonna go back and find that website. So this one was it, right? Go ahead and select this template, and over here, as you can see, this is how it will look like. It looks pretty nice. You can add some text over here, describing the product, and then you can add the address Then you can add the form as well, and then you can also add the product, and that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and enter in the name of our landing page. So it can be anything you want. You can even add it according to your product. Like if you have a product from ClickBank or any other affiliate marketing website, basically, giving out a freebie so that you can promote it later on, I think you should name it accordingly. So I'm just going to go ahead and write business advisors as the template has it. Okay, so that we don't get confused. And then this is going to be your main page, right? And then you have your thank you page over here. This is how it is going to look like once anyone has, subscribed to your page, entered in the form and clicked on the button. This is how it will look like. Thank you for downloading our annual report. Like, that's basically it. We'll send you a confirmation email shortly. I think it's pretty simple. It's really, on point, nothing too flashy. So this one, it looks perfect. So let's go ahead and click on next step. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. So what we can do now is we can change a couple of things. Like we can change the background, right? So over here, as you can see, this is the image background, right? So if I remove it, it's gone. So all you gotta do is find an image, right? Simply click on it again, and over here you can add your own image as well, or you can get free GetResponse images over here. So according to your product, what type of product you're selling, you can go ahead and add these images, right? So let's just assume that your product is about traveling or hotels and stuff like that. What we can do is we can use this image as well. This image is about park and it looks pretty good, like a travel guide or stuff like that. We can go ahead and do that. So let me just go ahead and check this out real quick. We have some layouts as well. So we'll just keep it like that, positioned in the center, fixed, and then just simply click on OK. So as you can see, we've changed the background as well. Now what you want to do next is you can change the text as well. You can go ahead and change the text a little bit so that people understand it, right? So write whatever one you want, just double click on the text and you can change the font of it. You can change the size, the space between them, make it bold, and then you can go ahead and type whatever you want, talking about your product, and then that is basically it. And the same goes for this button as well. Like you can move this around, as you can see, when I move it around, a line comes up so that it shows us that it's perfectly aligned over here, so that we don't have to worry about it as well. So I'm gonna keep it like this, and over here, this is our product, right? We can go ahead and replace the image or change the image as well. So maybe we can find an image over here, select the category, maybe an education or technology. Like let's go ahead and find a book or something, or a travel log or something like that. Let me just go ahead and search it over here on Google. So let me just go ahead and upload the image that I just downloaded. So over here, add files, select the file from my computer, find the image. This one is it. Click on it, wait a couple of seconds for the image to upload, and once it's uploaded, simply click on use, and over here you can have your image over here. As you can see, this is how it will look like. It's pretty simple, it's really basic, not a lot of things are going on. And once you have edited it out, all you gotta do is click on save and then just simply click on next step, and your website will be published. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.